Yeah. Shush. Yeah. Shush. Yeah. Shallow like the ends of my pool. Ketiki taco class in session huko school. Kwena mivago Tiga Wana tuko kwenye chess moves. Staging a coup with the gang tuko you. Tina uru aige anyu mko tu. Wait Wana mfiki bay. Kuna venye sound ilikuwa tu inapotelea tu hapa. So what happened, considering that, normally for someone who doesn't, if you're not making it like a studio or something, then you would have just straight up used the wall. So for me, this is foam. If you can actually see, this is foam. So there's also the process whereby I prepared the foam, which means I had to cut it into pieces, as well as fit it here before I now put the wood pieces hapa. I had to make sure at least the room is kidogo treated. Now, what happened? I'm bringing down everything. Remember, there's no need for me to bring down the doors and even the center barrier. And I end up buying wood to use to make this pallet-like structure for the space, yeah? So what happened is, once nili bring down hizi milango, all I did was now cut those doors because I don't think I'll need them. Even if I'm to return this space into a closet, I don't think I'm gonna have all those doors for the space. Handshake soon. What? To pay me how I want it, baby, less room. I may sound salty, I don't sugarcoat things. Really, I'm an OG, I don't got a false ish. Too stylish, potato no Irish. Big wave thing, watch I be sliding in. Nime come now, buyer. With the Holy Ghost fire. Ask around, I can lead a whole choir. I shall never retire. You know my soul is not for hire. Hey, hey, my soul is not for hire. If you believe in the vision, God bless, bless, bless. Never let a man try test you. Bad intention, let none oppress you. Watch out, Vala. Watch out, Vala. See where the arch. So, back to after the wood is cut, I did the first layer outside. By the time I was bringing the wood inside here for installation, I made sure I'm using water-based paint because, of course, cover mat. Now, the undercoat you apply on wood is called cover mat. Now, cover mat, you dilute it with water, kiasi tu. So already there was that. So I decided, instead of using too much or spending so much on just paint for the wood, then I also had just kawaida wood that's diluted, kawaida paint that's diluted with water, and I did now an extra 2 coats ikiwa hapa. Voila! I didn't want to do the gloss, the nini, because I didn't want the whole shiny aspect. I wanted a more matte look. Yeah, that's dull, because now imagine with the lighting, see, zingekuwa tu huku zinakaa tu zina shine, zina reflect each other hapa hivi. So yeah, that was it. Yeah, we never stop. Tiga Wana, Tiga Wana.